Good evening, everybody. This is Jason, the Headlight Guy. Tonight I'm coming at you from Master Tech RV and Custom Coach out of Elkhart, Indiana. They do servicing and repairs to RVs and custom coaches, also as marine. And they have a 200,000 square foot facility, which is very nice, very accommodating for all your RV needs. They have reached out to me to take care of one of their clients, which has a 2014 Tiffin Phaeton, and they needed a light upgrade. Now over here we have a retrofitted headlight, we have a profile by LED 2.0 and a profile high lens and a high beam. And then we have their factory lights over here, which is using a Sylvania Silver Star bulb. And I'm just going to give you a quick little comparison of what kind of lights you can expect to have upgraded in your RV. Get this set down right here. All right. All right, we got that set up right there. So first, I'm going to shut these guys off right here. So this is our starting platform for this, and now this is the customer's basic low beam. It's not very bright. It might get the job done. There's your high beam. That high beam looks very good. It's very intense, but it's still not going to compare to anything to a retrofitted light. So high beam off, low beam on. Actually, I'll leave their low beam on, and then I'm going to power up the retrofitted lights. See how dominant that light spread is? This is going to ensure that this very large RV will run down the road safely, and they can see any hazards that are coming in their way. These are very large vehicles weighing in excess of 36,000 pounds. So they are very hard to stop. They don't stop like a car. So the more they can see, the safer they can be on the road. Now this is just a low beam performance. Now this profile by LED is a high beam and a low beam projector, so it is kind of like it has a droppable shield. When you hit the high beam, the shield activates and it lowers, and more light is spread out. And then to back that up, we also have the profile high lens LED, which is going to be activated right now. Now that is a high beam. There's a good light spread, and then their high beam is on the halogen as well. You see that, and you can barely tell that the lights are on. So this is just a simple upgrade that we can do on RVs, and you know, they've asked me to possibly do more for their customers here in the future. So if you have an RV and you're looking to upgrade your headlights, please feel free to reach out to Tim, Brock, Austin, or Chauncey over at Master Tech RV and Custom Coach in Elkhart, Indiana. I'll put a link to their information in the description, and feel free to get a hold of them, and we can get you set up so your RV can safely go down the road. Have a happy holidays and have a good evening.